My wife wants a spicy cocktail, so I'm making my special spicy tomato cocktail for her. First, we mash the tomatoes with a hand blender. Once there was some space, I added a few more tomatoes and some fresh mint. Then I added some harissa sauce, a spicy chili paste from Tunisia, but you can use any spicy sauce you like. Then I squeezed some lemon into it. Then I blend it again. Since I'm making a non-alcoholic version, I added some soda. We'll chill it before serving, but if you want to make it alcoholic, you can add vodka, tequila, or gin. Oh shit, I made a mess in the kitchen. My wife is going to be so mad at me. Let me clean it up quickly. She's going to love this spicy chilled cocktail sauce, but I'm going to sprinkle some chili flakes on top. Okay, happy wife, happy life. Cheers.